It says here a total of 81 students were assigned to welcome guests during a school event. They were to line up in a row along the corridor. There were at least three girls between any two boys. So, what was the greatest possible number of boys in a row along the corridor? So, in this case, if I were to draw the girls as right diamonds, so and then we have two diamonds in this case. So, I'll put here as girls. Oh, between any two boys. Okay, boys. Okay, doesn't matter. So boys over here, and then boys over here as well. Okay, so we have two boys, and then in between there are three girls. Okay, so I'm gonna draw something else, which is maybe a triangle. Okay, and then we have girls. Okay, so girls is a triangle. Okay, so I'm gonna write here girls like this. Right. Oops. Okay, so move the girls like this, and then I'll just duplicate it. Right, girls, and then we have one more girl in between the boys. That's what you see over here. Okay, so this is like a pattern lah. So just draw the pattern. Okay, so this will be the same as what you see over here, like this. Okay, so girls, boys, all of this. Okay, so what was the greatest possible number of boys in the row along the corridor? So we know that the boys also have one at the end. So the pattern is this lah, right? So the pattern is this: girls, boys, like that. Okay, and then another pattern like this as well. Okay, so every one boy has three girls beside. Okay, right? So that means if we have okay 81, so we left one boy at the end, and at the end of the line we have one boy. Okay, so we minus the boy. 81 minus 1 equal to 80. Right, so number yeah, okay, 81 minus 80. Then after that with this, so if one group, right, is equal to 1 plus 3, which is 4 students, right? Okay, one group, okay, total students in one group is equal to 81 minus 1, sadly, with no group set life. Okay, so one group is 4 students, then 80 students will be equal to 80, and then be divided by 4 is equal to 20 students, right? Students. So one boy plus three girls. In this case over here, 4 students. Okay, so we know there's 20 groups, right? Over here, so 80 students, 20 groups. So how many? What's the greatest of boys? So that means for this case over here, let me write this as well, right?